Welcome on board, my friends. Scooby Algo trades. Let the journey begin. Charts and waves. Of course we'll navigate the markets as oceans. Discover our fate. Welcome to our world where dreams collide. Scooby trades take you on mellow ride.
Is the microphone working now? Oh, there we go. All right. Did you like that Scooby Algo Trades intro song? All right. Where are we today? Well, we got preview 01 going, trying to fix that last one for us, which is kind of the same one as last time. And also, more on bad news. This does not seem to be working. Quant Connect seems to be down today, and I'm not the only one. A couple of people are saying it in the Discord, although it looks like it's coming back right now. It looks like it's coming back. So, right, well, let's get started. I've wasted many hours already, and I really haven't got anything done. So we're not going to go into recommendations today. Straight into the code. Hopefully we might get some sort of result. I was trying to do something really basic on One Connect, and it just was having issues. As I said, other people are having issues, so I guess it might not have been just me. We'll let this one run anyway here, which is I think it's still the same one we were doing before, which we weren't getting good results from, but I'm hoping that like 01 preview will give it something a little bit better. I haven't gone for Pro yet, but I'm considering it. So this is still the same random forest classifier here, and it hasn't been working well, whatever we're doing to it, but it has a lot more code in it now from 01 preview. Nearly 300 lines of code, so I'm hoping it's going to get something out of that. And the other thing that I was doing on Quant Connect one was I was trying to do something really quite simple from one of their Quant Connect videos. I know, sorry, I think it was one of the quant videos, one of the other ones. It was like a tutorial almost. I don't know if maybe this is a good one. Let's try and run it. Let's just make sure there's no nothing else running there. I don't think so. I would stop it if there was. Seems to be building. I don't know. We'll see if this one builds. We're getting a lot of API errors, and so are people in the. A lot of people are saying that in the Discord as well. So let's see if this one works. You know, I just like to see at least something profitable, even if it's not, even if it's a bit of a long shot. You know, I really don't want to be doing kind of long swing trades, although I may have to succumb to that in the end. But for the moment, I'm trying to find like a day trading one. But right now, this is probably a swing trade one, and I just want to see some profit here. I just want to see something that looks like, there we go, it's the SPY, and it's getting 50% return, right? So I suppose anything you put in to hold and buy for a long term, you know, on the SPY, you're going to do kind of okay. I think that's just sort of a buy and hold strategy there pretty much. It's nothing big. But I just wanted to see something damn profitable. Do you blame me, really? You know. Let me see if we can. Wonder what the first one was. The first one was a little different. I wouldn't mind trying that first one as well. I think it's might be slightly different. We'll have a look at this one. Is it finished? It's feature engineering in progress. Whatever that's doing, I should have probably put in smaller dates for the anyway. All right, now this is the next one. I think it might be a little bit different. That again, I just want to see something profitable. Okay, so we can see just some profit there. Okay, 50% over what? 2010, 14 years, which is not great, is it really? If you think about it, 50%. You want 50% over 5 years would be okay. 14 years, not so much. All right, and so here's the next one. Very similar, as much. It's exactly the same, actually. Okay, I didn't know that. All right. So that was just what I was picking up off the video. I just put in the transcript from a video from Quantopian, I think it was, but it was related to Quant Connect, and I just said, okay, what is that one that's profitable? You know, it's not great. It's not great. They were making it sound great on the video, but obviously it's not that great. So we could put another strategy in. Oh, now here we go. We're getting something here. Volatility count. I don't know if you can see that. Probably very hard to see any of this, to be fair, but what are we getting? Count, mean, standard min. I hear max and min aren't supposed to be the best things to use. Maybe that an average is better or something, so we might try and say that. And again, we might try and use some of those other things. By the way, I know I recommended that what was it called? That sort of place where you got a lot of data in. I did manage to download, I found, and you can find it there as well, which is a whole bunch of data from 1962 from 9,000 tickers, and so it's free. If you go into that thing that I recommended in the last video, you'll find it there, and it's 3.5 gigs, and like 9,000 tickers from 1962 till today. You know, all the usual data. You know, open, high, low, close, and stuff. I believe there's splits included and things, so I don't know if they're already included in the price. I think that, but the splits might be, so that the data might have to be sort of conditioned. But yeah, it's free. It's there if you can find it. So I might try and implement that in some of this stuff later on as well. And there was also other things I was looking at to manage data. There's all these things you can do with data online. There's this AI thing that could handle your database online a lot better and all this kind of stuff. I might consider using some of that, or at least because you can do all sort of stuff with it. You can mess around with the data, do stuff with the data, get AI to do whatever, and then download it. But whatever it was, I was trying to upload it, and it was saying it was too big. I need to put it down in chunks, and that was another thing that put a spanner in the works here. But if you can handle spanners in the works, what's it called? Spanner in the whatever, in the cogs or something. If you can't handle that, then you're in the wrong place, because that's what this is just constantly thrown at you every day. You're going to be banging your head against the wall. But anyway, if you're not used to it, if you've some idea of coding, I suppose you already know that. But accuracy here, only 52. Again, 52. It's only a little bit better than random. So I don't know why. Like, it's supposed to be machine learning, so I know it's not a silver bullet, but you think, like, if it's doing all these tests, it will come out with something a bit better. So maybe random forest is not the way to go, and we might try something else with that one. With the Quant Connect one, I don't know. Let's say we'll try something a little more profitable. Okay, can try something a lot more profitable, perhaps day trading. Machine's going very slow. Perhaps A. It's probably doing a lot of finished. It says finished here. Something finished. Perhaps a day trading strategy. There, that'll do. Just let it start from there. Do something simple and then build on it. Now what's happening here? Not a lot. Finished. Backtesting. Yeah, I need to include some more visuals again. This one, so it's going to do a day trading strategy. Let's see how that goes over 3 years. On SPY, right. I'd rather give it criteria to enter certain stocks on its own so that it's not overfitting. You know, I'm not a fan of like just doing the same ticker all the time at all. And I was amazed when I found out you could just like give it criteria, you know. Let's see. I'm gonna try this one. We'll see how it goes first, and then we might add more things to it, like give a criteria to select different stocks or something. But I would like to see a day trading one in action, and if it's profitable, I don't mind a few losing days, but there you go. I think it's doing 2 years here. All right, this one still hasn't given me a. Is it supposed to spit out a plot graph or something? Don't see anything. Usually there might be a graph on my other screen here or something. Alright, let's see how the day trading one is going anyway. Oh, absolutely terrible. Absolutely terrible. Do not day trade SPY. I could probably stop that there. That doesn't really need to go any further, does it? Unless it starts making a profit, but I doubt it. I mean, that's 6 months already, and it's nothing green in it at all. So I think we can forget about that one. I'll probably try and stop running it. I think it's showing right there. I'll just say, see, we need something. I don't know what machine learning. See, Quant Connect is not great at the machine learning, to be fair. So, I'll just say that wasn't. Profitable. Wow, this is so slow. What's going on here? It wasn't profitable at all. Let's try. how about strategy that has strategy that has criteria for selecting stocks first. See how that goes. Let me check on the other one. Still just doing that. I don't think that's actually finished yet, but I can take that and punch it back in. Although, oh, there we go. Total return. Oh, we did get a graph. We got this, which looks like it went back in time somehow. Why do my graphs always look like? Is that the machine learning? Is that why? And then I have to run it again to actually use that. Is that right? Precision 57 on that one. Oh. There we go. So now it's come back here. All right, I'm just gonna wait a second. I'll copy this one in. I know this one's probably gonna not gonna do anything either. You know, we were supposed to be looking for ones in competitions and stuff that actually and break them down a bit, but I guess we're not doing that today by the looks of it. That's that code. And then I'll just give it the output here. I'll have to go back to local one. I was switching between two different projects, which ChatGPT has now projects, so yeah, we're not going in. At least it's on the one thing all the time, I suppose. It'll be interesting to see what it says about that. I think we're still on preview 01 there. And this one is not working at all. There's an error. Surprise, surprise. Errors here, errors there. Errors everywhere. Common ways. Okay. Oh, well, okay. Okay, please implement and show full code. So implement that, and we'll fix the other one in a second. I'll come back in a minute and I'll show you the results, hopefully. Okay, that one was running but not taking any trades there. Well, it ran after I fixed it another 3 times or another more errors. Now it's saying, you know, it needs to be more stuff going on for the opening ranges or something. And this one, still waiting for it to fully finish, but again, accuracy not that good again. And oh yeah, here it is. So I guess that is the training, right? But what's it doing though? We'll let that finish and then I'll put the report in there. I'm gonna have to wrap up after this because I have to go. That's all we have time for, I'm afraid, as they say. Oh, it's going to give me the full code here in, what's it called, Canvas or something. And I will just give it this, and then that will be the end of that one for today. But So again, nothing achieved really. I guess I'm kind of stuck in this one here. If we can get onto the next level, but for today I've got to go. I might be able to come back and do more stuff with that later. I really want to get onto my own stuff anyway, which is getting down onto the minute data and stuff. I'm doing some day trading stuff, but I guess that's what we're trying to do in the Quant Connect, but that's not really happening. And not great results on this machine learning one either with the, I think so. I don't know. We might be able to, we have time to put this one back in while it finishes and then get the result of the other thing, see what it says. At least we have different projects now in ChatGPT. It might actually be worth it to go for the Pro. I might try it for a month. Actually, it's coming to the end of my thing now. I believe if you get it at the right time, if it's at the end of your subscription, you can get it at a percentage that's left, you know what I mean? So you can get a month for very cheap. I've heard, I don't know, it might have been a bug and they fixed it. What am I using this for? This one. So last time I'll try this one, we'll run that, and then we'll get the results from this one. I'll put it in. Yeah, I think we're definitely going to have to give up on this one anyway. It's hard to know when to give up. Is it just like errors, or is it just not a good algorithm, you know? And I think in this case it's probably just not a good algorithm. Can't connect. Algos. No. Local algos. Oops. There we go. Where's it gone? Where's the local algos one gone? Didn't save it? Didn't seem to save it. Huh. Can you fix this? Oh no, there it is. That's it there. Where's it gone though? Doesn't come up. Alright. So that's like Quant Connect wasn't coming up. That was busted earlier. Now ChatGPT seems to be busted. Either way, I gotta go. Unfortunately, so that's it. Again, I'll just mention one last time, Scooby Algo Trades is also a Discord there. If you want to come in, low pressure environment to just share your own knowledge, how you're progressing, or if I'm going too fast or if I'm going too slow, or if you even if you had any advice for me, either you know more than me or you know less than me, or we both have holes in our knowledge, whatever. If you want to come into Discord, share with me what you're doing maybe. Alright, get some sort of a low pressure environment to discuss quantitative finance and even not discuss that if you want to discuss other things. Alright, that'll be it for now. Thank you for tuning into another video of Scooby Algo Trades. And thank you to our one subscriber. It says we had 6 subscribers, but then I only see one on the stats or something. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. If I continue to get views, sure, I'll continue to make them. I don't know. Is it helping you? If there's anything you'd like to see, message down below as well. Okay, that's it for now. I gotta go. Bye for now. Scooby-Doo!